Hello, and welcome to Parents' Journey. Today, we're starting a journey to uncover the joy of a well-balanced life, especially for busy parents. If you're managing a full-time job while caring for young children, this video is for you. We'll dive into practical tips and mindful techniques to create a harmonious balance between work and family, allowing you to truly cherish every moment. Imagine this. The sun gently rises, painting the sky in soft hues, and you begin your day with a deep, calming breath. Before the joyful chaos of family life awakens, taking even just 15 minutes for yourself can set the tone for a more balanced day. Picture yourself enjoying a warm cup of tea while the world around you is still quiet, allowing yourself to center and prepare for the day ahead. This is not about adding another task to your already full plate, but about creating a small pocket of peace to connect with yourself before nurturing your family. Remember, just as we carefully fold and organize our belongings to spark joy in our homes, we can mindfully organize our mornings to invite calmness and intention into our lives as parents. Let's explore the simple magic of a family calendar. It's more than just listing appointments and deadlines. It's about creating a visual representation of your family's journey. Picture a beautifully designed calendar displayed prominently in your home, where each family member's activities are highlighted. From soccer practice to school plays, dentist appointments to date nights, each entry weaves a thread in the rich tapestry of your family life. This visual reminder ensures everyone feels seen and heard, fostering a sense of connection and shared purpose. And as you gather around the calendar each week, you'll uncover opportunities for quality time, even amidst busy schedules. Remember, even a quick trip to the grocery store can become a special outing with the right intention. In the heart of a tidy and organized home, there often lies a well-stocked kitchen. Imagine the satisfaction of opening your refrigerator on a hectic weeknight and finding containers filled with colorful, pre-prepared meals. Meal prepping isn't about sacrificing flavor or spontaneity. It's about approaching cooking with a sense of intention and care for yourself and your loved ones. Just as we thoughtfully declutter our homes, we can declutter our weeknights by dedicating a couple of hours on the weekend to prepare nourishing meals in advance. This act of self-care not only saves time and reduces stress, but also allows you to savor the process of cooking without feeling rushed. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that dinner is already taken care of, leaving you with more time and energy to connect with your family. Envision a life where your professional and personal worlds coexist seamlessly, each enhancing the other without overstepping boundaries. This harmony starts with establishing clear and intentional boundaries, like invisible lines that protect your time and energy. When you're at work, immerse yourself in your tasks with focus and purpose. Then, when it's time to reconnect with your family, do so with your whole heart. Put away your work phone, disable notifications, and allow yourself to be fully present in the cherished moments with your loved ones. This deliberate effort to compartmentalize your time enables you to be more engaged and present in each part of your life, leading to greater satisfaction in both work and family. In a well-organized home, shared responsibility fosters a sense of unity. Just as every item has its place, every family member can play a role in maintaining order. Even the youngest can engage in age-appropriate tasks, turning chores into moments of learning and bonding. Picture the pride in your child's eyes as they master folding clothes or setting the table. Delegating isn't about losing control, it's about empowering your children to take responsibility and contribute to the family's well-being. By letting go of the need to do everything yourself, you create more space for connection and joy in your family life. Thank you for joining me on this journey to discover the joy of a well-organized life for busy parents. Remember, finding balance is not about achieving perfection, but about creating a harmonious flow between work and family, where each day sparks joy and connection. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Parents' Journey for more helpful tips. And let us know how you guys juggle work and family in the comments below. See you next time.